Hey guys, it's Ali here, and today is going to be a video about Animal Jam update. I know I don't really do this, but if you want me to, I can make a video about every update there is. So first, pet lemurs. Pet lemurs have come to Jamaa. These adorable wide-eyed pets are excited to see all of Jamaa's sights, so adopt yours today. Okay, so next. The April's Fool's party. I went there. Let me see if it's on. You are invited to the April Fool's party, the wackiest party of the year. And while you're there, be sure to check out all the silly accessories and den items for sale. Okay, traveling deer. Okay, so like many deer in the wild, the deer of Jamal love to play in the snow. Now that springtime, the deer of Jamal have decided to go traveling. On April 14th, James will no longer to make deer will be able to play as any deer good that you already have, but you only have 2 weeks to become a deer before they begin their travels. Ooh, oh yeah. To help gifting and trading even better, you can now use oh cool. Oh yeah, that's the recycling thing. Sorry guys. And then all this falcon stuff. I don't want to read it all. Okay, so let's see the party. Is it on now? On. Okay, the Play as Your Pets party is on. Let's see. Ha! The April Fool party. It's pretty fun, guys. You can get. Let me show you. Loading, 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 loading. Okay, guys, I'm reloading. That was just. We were going to go in the diamond shop too and see the pets. I don't have enough diamonds to buy one, but that is okay. Okay, so. No. And yes, we can buy all these amazing cool items and the shark hat that they have. I just didn't want to buy it yet. Okay, diamond shop, diamond shop. Go into the diamond shop. Okay, so let's see. Oh, not animal. Okay, let's. Aha, here they are. Oh, these are so cute. If I could buy this is what I would look like. Okay, well, I didn't buy anything. Whatever. Okay, anyway, I do here. Oh yeah, these new things here. Okay. Oh, and this is the new armor. It's pretty cool, guys. It's all flower stuff. I bet flowers like it. Flowers. Or maybe not. Personally, guys, I don't really like this. But it's okay if y'all do. It's y'all's. Oh, love your. Yes, I love pushing that. The plushie of Terror. Why is my internet so slow, guys? Let's just do something random, guys. There. Okay, so go check out this awesome news. And since February, some of Joel's outfits have been planned for the Hearthstone School. They have been sending us letters from expedition and just received a letter. On the high cliffs of a forgotten mountain, the Alphas found a Falcon Hearthstone. Cool. The Alphas are bringing the Hearthstone home, which means the Falcons will soon come to Jamal. OMG, what? Fine. Cool. Lieutenant Unbuddy. Sorry, Alley Cat. There. Okay, guys, so I guess that's gonna wrap this video. And be sure to check out the new updates. They're really awesome, guys. And Just please like, subscribe. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.